Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. So I haven't really done much to my hair since my dramatic haircut experience. For the people that don't know, I cut my hair in February. It's been a while since I cut my hair, but my hair literally used to be to like basically my butt. Like it was so long, but you guys know I don't really do much to my hair. The only thing that I do is either straighten it, but I never curl it. I don't really do anything to it, and I'm kind of like sick of it because I feel like I need to change. Like I need to do something fun. So for today, I thought I would make a whole video about these things called the flexi rods. So I got these at Target and I've only used them once, and that was like 2 years ago. It's about time to try them again, especially with my shorter hair, because the last time I tried these, my hair was so long. Actually, here's a picture of what it looked like, and as you can tell, my hair is very volumized and fluffy, but I can't imagine what it's gonna look like with my short hair. So I thought it would be fun to make a whole video about this because I don't like putting heat on my hair. So if any of you are looking for a way to curl your hair without having heat on them, I hear these are really good for that. So I'm gonna put these to the test. I'm not gonna lie, the first time I used these, I did not like the way my hair turned out, and it could just because it was so long and there was so much hair. To me, it was so bad that I couldn't even wear it out in the public. So I'm curious to see how it's gonna turn out now that my hair is shorter. I'm gonna take down my hair and show you guys what it looks like. It's gonna look horrible, so heads up. It's grown a lot. I mean, I think it has. I think it was to like here when I cut it. So I believe the trick to doing these is you have to wash your hair first and roll them when your hair is a little damp. I do plan on sleeping in these at night, which they are so uncomfortable, but I'm just gonna push through it. So I'm just gonna go wash my hair and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, I just got out of the shower, and right now I'm just gonna put in this Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. My friend gave this to me because she didn't like it, but the one time I did use it, I felt like it made my hair very smooth and fluffy. So I'm just gonna put this in my hair just because I feel weird not putting anything in my hair. I think that was too much. Now what I'm not trying to do is make my hair greasy, which I hate. I've never done an official hair care routine, which I do plan on doing it at some point. But usually what I do is when I put product in my hair, I scrunch my hair up. But since we're gonna be rolling our hairs with these, there's no point in doing that. So I'm just gonna brush my hair, which I usually never do after the shower. I'm low-key kind of nervous this is gonna turn out bad because like I said, the first time I did this, it turned out so messy and uneven. I couldn't even wear it out in public. Like I had to put my hair up in a ponytail, and I don't really like putting my hair up in a ponytail just because I hate how my face is just so exposed. So I do have to work tomorrow, so let's hope that this turns out good, because last time I did this is what it looked like. That picture gets me every time. My vision is it's gonna look like Shirley Temple. I'm actually gonna have my sister Jessica put these flexi rods in my hair because it is kind of hard to do it yourself. Hurry up, peasant. So this is my sister Jessica, and she's gonna be doing my hair today, so let's just get started. Okay, I know I have dandruff, just sit down. Jessica's so weird, like she picks everything.
Don't put that in.
This one comes with 2 different sizes, so there's a larger one and then a little one. There's 11 tiny ones, so I'm debating if I just want to use the tiny ones instead of the big ones, just so everything looks even. We're gonna start in sections, I guess. I don't really know what I'm doing. I guess we'll part it on this side because this is usually how I wear my hair, either in the middle or on this side. So I guess we'll part it so that way when I wake up it looks fine. So I guess you start like at the root of your head.
It's just gonna come out.
Just gonna know and smell that, love. Okay. Ow.
You almost pulled my hair out.
So we ended up having to use some of the big ones, so I'm hoping that it turns out okay. When I was little, I used to wear those, I think they're called rollers. It's like the foam ones, but they were pink, and I used to wear them all the time when I was younger. I prefer those. I need to get some because those are so much more easier than having to do this. So I guess here's my before. And yeah, I'll just see you guys in the morning. Good morning, it's the next day, and it's finally time to take out these flexi rods. I can't wait to see how my curls turn out. Everything stood in place, although this piece up here, I feel like it's a little wonky. I'm gonna do this one first. Stop. I think this is how short my hair is gonna be. And I know you're supposed to separate them. Look how short that is. If my hair actually turns out that short, I'm not wearing this out in the public. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty this curl is. See what I mean? Like, this part's shorter than up here, and I don't have layers, by the way. Hello? I look like Shirley Temple right now. Okay, the final one, guys. I feel like this is gonna turn out bad. It's so flat up here, then it just goes like curly. So here is my hair. Obviously, I'm not gonna leave it like this. So the next step is to take the pieces and then separate them. Because if we just go out like this, that's weird, don't do that. Like Sandy from Grease. I'm gonna film Jessica's reaction of how my hair turned out, so let's go. Do you like it? I look like Shirley Temple. Well, guess I'm going into work like this today. My final review is I think that this obviously works so well for overnight heatless curls. This does an amazing job, but I don't know how to feel about it just because it's uneven in different places. Glad I parted it on the side that I usually wear my hair. The thing I don't like about this is you can't like part it to a different side because like your hair is going to get knotty and I don't want to risk that. 1 to 10, I would probably rate this an 8. Yes, I'm probably gonna do it again. It is cute. I love how flowy and fluffy it is. So I guess that is the end to this video. Let me know down below what you guys think about this because I don't know how to feel about it. I mean, I like it. I like having the volumized hair, but I don't know, it's just like crazy and out of my comfort zone. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already because I'm doing a giveaway very, very soon. I hope you found this helpful and I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. For those that haven't clicked out of this video yet, hello, I forgot to add this. Well, I feel like adding this in the video. So this is how I ended up styling my hair. So the hair right here was very poofy and it didn't look that good. So I decided to take that piece and twist it and I clipped it back. And then I put in this crystal hair comb just to give it a little touch. And this is how it turned out. It's so cute. I'm kind of nervous to go into work like this because I don't know how people are going to respond. Because this kind of is a joke, but at the same time it's not. Hopefully they're not going to take it too seriously, but here we go. Okay, bye.